I'm not wearing underwear.
All right, I'll keep this secret. Come on, sing it for us, baby. Oh, yeah.
My favorite secular song. I love this song.
Here we go. Time to get the car washed.
They're gonna be like, whose car is this?
Should do it before. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, cash.
And after, yeah. Mom's $20 bill flew out the window.
So embarrassing.
Banged the door on the thing.
I know I did, but I was not about to let this $20 bill go.
She wanted that 20.
I used to paying with cash. I'm always swiping. Swiper, no swiping. Swiper, no swiping. Oh man. Give my money back.
It's because you should have got the $5 wash. But she wants to upgrade.
Making me get that, and my car keeps looking like from Friday. I can't do this.
Hey, got 10s, but at least they're clean.
Cheech Chong.
Got them 10s.
Oh,
Good song.
okay.
Matt, I challenge you. When we get in there, yeah, but when we get in there, you gotta roll down your window. Or let me roll down your window for like 2 seconds.
Wait, for here?
When we get in.
Oh no!
Come on. Britt, can I roll down your window when we get in?
All the way?
It's just gonna go down just a little bit and then it'll go up. Deal?
Why?
It's a challenge.
We're gonna get arrested.
You won't get arrested.
Yeah, we are.
Alright, I'm gonna do it, okay? Here we go. Whoa, look at that. Look at that. I gotta wait till the workers are not looking.
Do you remember when Rickson was little and I said he was screaming?
Uh-huh.
We had no clue. Ever since then, he's hated going into the car washes because I left the window open. And he was an infant in an infant car seat. And he was just soaking wet. Like water in the car seat. And I had no clue.
Here you go. Put Maddox's window down. Come on, he said yeah. Ready? Yeah! Good job. Ricky, you want your window down?
No!
Are you sure?
No!
Are you scared?
Yeah!
Because, babe, I scared him. Remember what I did? Mom of the year. Mom of the year. Sorry, Ricky.
Okay, the water's out of coming. I want
Oh, one more time. Come on, put it down, babe. Get the boy all the way down. Ready? Go. Keep it down, keep it down, keep it down, keep it down, keep it down. Oh. That got us.
Okay, no more.
Mom said no. You done hit an alarm.
Look at him. He's like, what?
Oh my God. He's soaked. Here we go. This will dry you off. It's gonna dry you off. Ready? Come on, you gotta put it down, babe. Come on, Ricky. Uh-oh. We're gonna get this car looking good. Let me get your hair.
Do his hair.
No, you want me to?
No.
Oh, I got your shirt. Every parent knows this. Under the car seat, Put that right there. Can't see nothing. Good job. Let Bricky get a chance. Here, Brick. That's it? Feel better, babe?
Thank you. I'm so glad.
Looks good. Much better. Thank you guys for your help.